Michael's 2021 Hyundai Ioniq wouldn't even shift into reverse, stuck right there in his own driveway. With our help, Hyundai was forced to give him a full refund. And here's exactly how we did it and how you could also get the same results. Michael bought his 2021 Hyundai Ioniq Plug-In Hybrid brand new in California. Hyundai has been pushing hard into the electric space, and the Ioniq was their flagship eco vehicle, a modern, fuel-efficient hybrid that promised to save money on gas and help the environment. For a vehicle around $30,000, that pitch was compelling. He thought he was making a smart investment, but within months, that investment became a nightmare. One morning, Michael went to back out of his driveway, and nothing happened. The Ioniq refused to shift into reverse. He was stuck, not on the side of a highway, not in traffic, in his own driveway. That's how his day started. He had it towed to the dealership. They diagnosed a failed transmission control module and replaced it. The repair order said, TCM replaced, vehicle operating normally, repair complete. Here's what that really means. We found a failed part and swapped it out. Repair complete closes the ticket. But when the same system fails again weeks later with different symptoms, that original repair complete starts looking less like a fix and more like a patch. Weeks later, the transmission started jerking and hesitating between gears. Same system, different symptoms. The pattern was already forming. Meanwhile, Michael had bought this Hyundai specifically to save his family money. Instead, it was costing them time, stress, and peace of mind. Every morning he'd wonder, is the Ioniq going to start today? Is it going to get stuck again? The car he bought to simplify his life was making everything harder. Here's a detail most drivers overlook when it comes to California's lemon law. The problem doesn't have to be exactly the same every time. If your transmission fails to shift one week and then starts jerking between gears the next, that's the same system failing in different ways. The lemon law looks at the underlying defect, not just the individual symptom. Different symptoms from the same root cause still build your case. Michael's 2021 Ioniq had the same transmission system failing over and over, just in different ways each time. For a vehicle that you pay so much for, that's not acceptable. That is a lemon. When Michael reached out to us, we reviewed his repair records, built his case, and helped him file a lemon law claim against Hyundai. The result? A full refund, including the down payment, monthly payments, taxes, interest, and even the registration fees. The best part is he didn't pay anything out of pocket. All he gave us in return was a 5-star review. Under California Civil Code Section 1794D, the manufacturer, not you, must pay for your attorney fees. That's how we've helped thousands of California drivers, just like you, get their money back without paying a penny. If you think your vehicle is already a lemon, or maybe you've just gone in for that first repair, give us a call right now, or tap the link in our bio to use our free compensation calculator and find out how much money we could get for you in less than 30 seconds.